G20 event, the hugest thing that I've ever done, that the department's ever done, ever. It was just astronomical. It was the first cloud-based implementation of its size for leaders in the world.
23 world leaders with all of their support staff descending on Brisbane.
Billions of people watching sink or swim. There was no in between.
All of the media turning up wanting to tell the world what was going on.
There was absolutely no margin for error. It wasn't by choice, it was by necessity. We had to think of a different way of delivering a virtual desktop cloud experience. One of the key things that we wanted was the ability to turn on ICT for the duration of the event and then turn it off.
G20's technology solution was essentially made up from three components. There were the dual cloud platforms in Sydney and Melbourne that delivered the vast majority of the services to the media and the press and the dignitaries and so forth. There was the secure wireless network that we deployed inside the convention centre, and then there was the integration of the hotels and other venues around the convention centre that created the entire secure zone for communication and collaboration.
It was just massive. We planned for months and months to get there. Things moved so fast. 16 different sites, 40 gig internet feed, 700 to 1,000 desktops, about 400 Wi-Fi access points, 2 to 3 kilometres worth of gaff tape.
We took over the networks in the hotels in the protected district, and we had 100 people working the floor 24/7 dealing with security clearances who were able to deal with VIPs like Barack's team and everybody else who came in for it.
It provided for over 30,000 delegates over the time of the entire G20, including the Sherpa, a desktop experience, a virtual desktop experience that was used by delegates, by the media and the media centre, with about 2,500 staff.
The real joy of what we did for them was that we delivered everything as a service. So instead of an annual contract value, we had a weekly contract value.
We didn't have to buy anything. Everything that was brought on by Dimension Data. That included desktops, infrastructure. Within 24 hours or thereafter, it was all gone.
When you make a conscious decision to move into a consumptive-based platform and you plan for it properly, including the security elements and so forth, you can actually deliver an incredible outcome.
The ICT was absolutely flawless. It was well regarded, it was highly available, it was really secure. It met all the expectations and exceeded all the expectations of all the people that were there. It was just absolutely spot on. It was a huge step forward for Prime Minister and Cabinet, and to be able to do it on such a large scale in front of billions of people was awesome.